Hello guys, so if you're working in Blender and all of a sudden all you can see is this 3D viewport right here, you can see your outliner, your properties data and your timeline, which is usually here down here by default and by this side by default. So here is a quick fix for this. You're going to add another 3D viewport by dragging this plus sign or right clicking. So I'm going to right click to show you another alternative for this. So when you right click, you see area options, vertical split and horizontal split. So I'm going to click on the vertical split, drag this line somewhere here. I'm going to right click down here and click on horizontal split. Then drag this line to somewhere here at the middle. Then I'm going to click here for the timeline. I'm going to right click, then click on horizontal split, then drag this line here, somewhere here for your timeline. So I'm going to be using shortcut for this, but I'll still show you another alternative for this. So the shortcut for outliner is Shift F9. As you can see, this is your outliner. The shortcut for the properties data is Shift F7. So this is the properties data for everything on my 3D viewport. So for your timeline, the shortcut for timeline is Shift F12. So this is by default, this is how Blender is. Whenever you open Blender, this is the first view you get to see by default. So this basically solved the problem. So another way to solve this problem is by clicking here on this editor type, left clicking here. When you left click, you see outliner, properties, and anything you want to add on this view. Then for properties data, it's still the same. Left clicking, and properties data is still the same. For timeline, that's the same. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.